Hello everyone, how to count values in Excel without count formula. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, the sales amount. So here I select the first cell and shift control down arrow to select here entire cell. After the selection, you can see the bottom side on status bar, the count 6 here shown. The sum amount also shown here. So this is a way you can check here on the status bar the count number of your data. Okay. After selection, you can check it. Okay. And if the count is not visible on the status bar, then right click on the status bar and you can see count function you're showing is selected. Okay. So in this list, the count function is not selected. Then click on it and it will show on the status bar. Like here, I'm going to add the average. So I click on the average and the average amount is 1700. Now I add here minimum, maximum amount. And now you can see on status bar, average amount, count, minimum amount, maximum amount, and sum. So this is a way you can add on status bar. So hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.